Hiya, it's Shana Rose here. In this course, I'm going to be teaching you how to become a professional makeup artist. I've been a makeup artist for several years and I can honestly say this is the job of my dreams. For many people, makeup is a huge passion, as it is mine. Makeup is an art that allows you to express yourself through the creativity. Makeup is all about having fun and experimenting. It can be very rewarding and satisfying to see the end result of what started off as a blank canvas. In your day-to-day role as a makeup artist, your assignments may change and vary, i.e. for the location, it could be a birthday booking, a wedding, music video, you could be booked to do male grooming, a photo shoot, TV and shows. You may also want to set up your own business from a salon or from your home. You'll get the opportunity to work with other creatives and be challenged in a fast-paced environment, pushing your makeup artistry to new levels and performing to tasks such as different mood boards set from clients. You'll also be required to keep on top of all beauty trends and makeup looks, as your clients will always be wanting the latest, freshest looks that are in. A huge perk of the role is that you're able to empower the clients that you're working with on a day-to-day basis. It's your job to have them feeling as comfortable and beautiful as possible and to achieve the perfect look that they are desiring. There's nothing more than rewarding than a loyal clientele and positive feedback. Also, having that flexibility in a role, in being able to work for yourself and choose when you want to work, whether it be full-time or part-time, it's the perfect profession. Most importantly, makeup is all about having fun. Take your time, trust the process and just enjoy yourself. In this course, I'm going to be talking through the steps of application for skincare, complexion, colour, eyes and brows, lips and male grooming. If you want to further your knowledge on the basic application of makeup, this course is going to be perfect for you.